How to see sent follow requests on Instagram in just a few easy steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile. In the top right corner, you'll see three horizontal lines. Tap on those and then choose Settings from the menu. Scroll down until you see Your Activity. Tap on that. Look for Download Your Information and select it. This lets you ask for a copy of your account info. Pick some of your information, then select Followers and Following. This will help you see the follow requests you've sent. Type in the email address where you want the information sent, and then hit Next. Instagram will take a little time to get your request ready. It could take a few minutes or even a couple of hours. Once you get the email, download the file they send you. Open it up and look for pending follow requests to see who you've asked to follow you. And that's it. Just follow these steps and you can easily check who you've sent follow requests to on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.